State government will take opinions from experts and public to legalize plantation of cannabis plants in the state. Irawat Celebration Committee observes 68th death anniversary of Jananeta Hijam Irawat as State Mourn Day at Irawat Bhavan, Imphal. Kundrakpam MLA T.H. Lokeshwar proposes that a library and a guest house in a memory of Lamyanda Hijam Irawat will be constructed at Kaibi, Manachi. Students of Takil Government Idle Blind Schools expresses disappointment over the Social Welfare Department for their lack of concern to the students of the school. And Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry honors additional SP of NAB Manipur, Thaunawjam Brinda with Best Performing Officer Award. Kurumjiri, good evening. You're watching Thursday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Proposal of legalization for plantation of cannabis plants in the state was tabled at the cabinet meeting today, and processes are underway to approve the same at the next cabinet meeting after listening to the opinions of experts and public. The cabinet meeting was held at Chief Minister's Secretariat at 11:30 a.m. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Office Chamber in New Secretariat today, State Government spokesperson, who is also the Education Minister, T.H. Radhesham, stated that plantation of cannabis plant in the state was thoroughly discussed at the cabinet meeting. As opinions of experts and public are required to legalize cannabis in the state, the matter will be discussed meticulously at the next meeting. He also asserted that the meeting also approved the DPC to fill up the 300 vacant posts of aided schools, as well as salary for teachers of aided school will be provided as per 6th pay scale instead of the previous 5th pay scale. Regarding the proposal to fill up the 1,400 vacant posts of teaching and non-teaching staffs under Tribal Affairs, the Education Minister stated that recruitment for 700 posts was approved during the meeting. He added VAT tax collected by excise for the foreign liquor of army and state forces will be doubled, as well as the government to provide a land lease for construction for Narcotic Affairs and Border and National Investigation Agency NIA offices were approved during the cabinet meeting. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit, Health Minister Langpolakpam Jayant Kumar and Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen were present at the meeting.
Hana edit school gi oja singi moi gi tolopsi 5th pay commission gi piramba ado revision tawai 6th pay gi do ado gi ado piba gi ama ayaba ma school gi oja mayam se moi approve tawraga retire tawgi bi oja sahum something hang leibedu gi moi DPC taw sahi mu phajal le madu iduma approve tawbira cabinet na ADC mayam gi ko ADC chairman andagi moi member vice chairman mayam gi moi gi honorarium se Sikra Wat Pamadu Hingalan Nabagi, Adugi proposal, Makwe Kanai Kanabase, not only ADC Katanataba, Akwegi Pansite, Jila Parishasi, Mayam, low and detail of study Taurokanda, Matangi Cabinet Tamadu, Kanoto say, in principle, the Yanaraga.
Irawat Celebration Committee observes 68th death anniversary of Jananeta Hijam Irawat as State Mourn Day at Irawat Bhavan, Imphal today. Speaking on the occasion, State Secretary of CPI Manipur, L. Sutin Kumar, assured to strengthen Communist Party, which was founded by Irawat for a better Manipur. Maintaining that Communist Party took major roles to attain statehood of Manipur and to enlist Manipuri language in the 8 schedules, he asserted that Communist Party took pledge to work for the welfare of people of Manipur. Communist leaders and women folks who attended the event offered floral tributes to the statue of Irawat.
Adungai solisingmaga samapan nimfuga nipangi September gi tang kunma thoida Manipur त्रिपुरा लुसाई पहाड़ लोन कसार डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलगा पूर्वाचल प्रदेश सेमगनी हाइबगी इहो अम लाक मतमदा मदुगी मायोक्ता थौना लेना थेंगनरुबगीदमक्ता नुमित अदुदगी माक अंडरग्राउंड चंखिबने मणिपुरदा मियामगी इहो असे हेन माई पाकनबगीदमक्ता बर्मा दा सलगा बर्मा कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी सिंगा समदरगा ट्रेनिंग फील्ड न सिंगबा कबो वैली न सिंगबा फम सिंगसे मसे अखोइन सिननबगी अदुगा लोइनना मखन कयागी मतेंग फंगबगा लोइनना मदुगी पाउदमनब लाकपदा लंबीदा तांगबो हरिबा मफम अदुदा सो लिसिंगमगा समापन यांखैगा माथोइगी सेप्टेम्बरगी तांग कुनगा तरु ngasiगी नुमित असिदा लैखिदे
Kundrakpam MLA T.S. Lokeshwar announced that a library and a guest house in the memory of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat will be constructed at Kaibi Manaching, the place where Irawat started his revolutionary movement after he was declared wanted by the then government. He further asserted that construction will start at once if the locality and Kaivi village grants permission for the project. He was speaking on the 68th death anniversary of Irawat, organized by Irawat Memorial Trust, Kaibi. MLA Lokeshwar and Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council, L. Sutan Kumar, laid people in offering floral tributes to the statue of Irawat. The flag of Communist Party was also flown at half-mast as a gesture of respect. Speaking at the event, MLA Lokeshwar stated that the present generation still commemorates the contribution of Irawat for a better Manipur. He further urged the need to aware Irawat's works and life to the upcoming generations.
Sida lariba koi koi ki karhani Irawat Memorial Trust delai bidiba isinok singjiga adagi maroina koi yambo singa loinana sida aina mithung jangama sajena mang busi koiraba adubu saji habegi si lak tabna mar hojikti ngasi si confirm adi tawna gado male if like kaina bu adagi prajana bu sibu saji habegi laragadi I will be definitely ai sana dum ai sana da bhona jagi sigi hojik sabase like I ma patana pali bani the trust sam chaung le bani aduna lamlam ju thajibi ba praja sing puning maksiga aiga manaraga whatever sima sarasi sima taw jabado ai sana dum saruk ya jagi haina sum thamdage
mafam asida ahlaman sing awana kya nangkiba sing makhoi adumba photo om to orgasu record kaino khara do orgasu loina mahaka mari lenaba mafam mama masida ningthira lingbi ba taragadi maruoina su mana sing se manipur gi aduma center ama soidana oiragani.
Convener of Lamyanba Irawat Ningsing Thauram Observation Committee, Lintok, T.H. Ajit appealed the present generation to make use of the ideas and works taken up by Irawat to bring conclusion to the various issues facing the state. He was speaking on the 68th death anniversary observance of Irawat, organized by Lintok under the aegis of Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur PPCM at 100 Flower Higher Secondary School in Thangjam Kuno, Kumidok in Imphal East District today. Speaking at the event, Ajit eulogized the works and contributions of Irawat. Maintaining that Irawat also worked to unite both hills and valley, he asserted that it is high time for present generation to acknowledge and follow his steps, especially what Irawat did from September 26, 1896 to September 30, 1951.
Matamduda kanamdan tawdana namthabirga thamamba potam oirami madu man sinkhatnabda madu sinkhatlaga kunaisida mek laba ama pukana gedong da honaramba misa amani united oiba apunba singi lum apandagi pulaga ponsal laaga committee semaga mayamji oiba apunba saktam sagala kanda kunai kangadabni haiba wakhalong leramba adu mayam singdu akoi ngasi ningba yamna tangai padan orali mahagasi kunaisida adumuti asangba mim oirami asangba mim oiriba se ngasi di akoi mangi saisum oili horabani akoi sibo mana saisu orga pukapirambasi haujiti akoi na amuk mabu sinkhatbasi amuk mathok tai kunaisida
Meitei Students Association of Manipur University also observed the 68th death anniversary of Hijam Irawat on life and ideology of Hijam Irawat at the conference hall of Manipur University Library. Faculty of Economics Department, Manipur University, Dr. Chinglen Meshnam, Faculty of Manipuri Department, Dr. N. Sanatomba, and research scholars stressed on life and works of Irawat. 18th local level March Past competition 2019 was held as a part of the 123rd birth anniversary of Jananeta Hijam Irawat at Ningthaukhong Bazaar today. Irawat Celebration Committee, Ningthaukhong, AISF, Lions Club of Ningthaukhong, D. Cactus Education Center, Manipur, and Youth Foundation for Fitness and Service Manipur organized the competition. Floral tributes were also paid to the poetry of Irawat during the event. 10 contingents in senior category and 6 contingents in junior category from schools of Ningthaukhong competed in the competition. SP Bishnupur Priyadarshini Laishram, President of Irawat Celebration Committee, Ningthaukhong, Yashkulakpa Rajkumar, Member of Nacho Jilla Parishad, TH Dilip Meitei, and the Member of Tinungai Jilla Parishad, O Joychandra graced the event. Speaking at the event, SP Bishnupur Laishram Priyadarshini called upon the people for unity to safeguard the integrity of the state. Jananeta Irawat Memorial Trust GMAC observed the death anniversary of Jananeta Hijam Irawat at Jiribam today. Floral tributes were offered to the statue of Irawat at Babupara, Jiribam. A full rehearsal of March Past by various schools was also held for the upcoming Irawat Day, which falls on September 30th. Senior student of Takil Government Idle Blind School, Manjur Hussain, expressed disappointment over the Social Welfare Department for their lack of concern for the students of the school. He urged the minister concerned and the state government to ease the plights facing the students of the school at the earliest. Speaking to media interaction organized by Students' Union of the school at the school's auditorium today, Manjur Hussain stated that Braille press was installed in the school in 2011 for printing books of the students. He asserted that although printing staffs were recruited in 2015 to 16, the authorities has failed to provide the books for the blind students on time despite giving assurance to provide by July 2016. He mentioned that the coordinator further assured of providing the books by August 30th of this year, but have failed to do so till then. He stated that there were even notification of keeping the Braille press and machines to the Social Welfare Department, which are of utmost importance and necessity to the school. He warned of intense tear along with the students' organization and association of the state if the minister concerned and the state government fails to look over the matter and fulfill their demands within October 5th.
अखोइना थोंग लोनजनजरे ब्रेड प्रेस से अदुगा लोन खर मतुंगदा मेमोरिजम थाजरे सोशल वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट दा मखोइना दिस ईयर की सितंबर डे 30 फुमुंगदा नोगी मेचिन पीगनी हाइरे पीगनी आना अखोइना हराउनिंग ले हराउदुना लेरिंग मरक्सिदा मखोइना ऑर्डर म थोकचले मेचिन से लेरक पतारागसु अखोइगी सी मफम सिमक्ते थमरोय सोशल वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट दा थमगनी हाइबने अखोइना हाइसिना अखोइगी से थमबियु हाइबनेबा थमबियु से अखोइना आदा लेखिब तारदे अखोइगी अपॉर्चुनिटी लोइन मांगदोरिन मरमदि आदा लेखिब हाइसिदे अखोइगी मतमगी जीके फोंगबा अममा लाइक फोंगबसे अखोइदी साइटेड की लाइक से पाबा हिता उदबनिना मे ब्रेल दा पागदबनि ब्रेल दा नमथोकदा मेचिन आदा लेखरदे सुम सुम्बग अपॉर्चुनिटी लोइ मांगदा मैम से अखोइना हाइजा मतम मोइन ताबिद्रे सिगी ऑर्डर से ककबियु अदुगा नेक्स्ट ईयर देगी अप टू 10 क्लास नर्सरी टू 10 लाइक सुना फंगनबियु लाइबि तारगस अखोइ कंफर्टेबल ओइदब मोंग द पीबसिदे अखोइ नुंगाइते
4 persons died due to an idiopathic disease at Henjung Punji village under Farjol district since August to September 23rd. Upon hearing the information, Tipaimok MLA Dr. Taltalin Amo and ADC member Sri Lalho Sang arranged a medical team for necessary medical emergency. The exact cause of the disease is yet to be ascertained. The signs and the symptoms of the disease includes nose and ear pain, along with blood oozing out from mouth and ear, abdominal pain, and shortness of breath. The medical team are facing inconveniences while traveling as it is a remote area. Speaking to media, MLA Dr. Taltalin Amo stated that a medical team including nurses and technicians led by medical officer in charge of PHC Siba Purikhal, Dr. Dineshwari, is providing necessary treatments. He asserted to hold consultations with the top officials of the medical department for further necessary steps if the condition proceeds. One woman under Yangon police station in Imphal East district committed suicide by consuming poison today. The woman is 22-year-old Konsam Ningol Chirom Ongbi Serjubala, wife of Chirom Jitain from Kwag Tabi Maning Laikai. According to Impact News sources, family members found the body around 7 in the morning. She was declared dead upon reaching hospital. Yangon police has registered a case and investigations are underway. JC formed against the suspicious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School hoisted black flag today in protest against the state government's failure to solve the mystery behind the student's death till date. Members of the JC demanded the government to hand over the student's death case to CBI without further delay. Students of St. Patrick's School along with members of the JC paid floral tributes to the late student during the event held at Thangmaiban Maishnam Laikai. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Federation of Government College Teachers Association demanding the government to implement 7th Pay and UGC Regulation 2018. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Thursday Primetime English News. Federation of Government College Teachers Association FEGOCTA carried out protest demonstration demanding to implement 7th Pay and UGC Regulation 2018 at Keshampat Laimajam Laikai Community Hall today. Speaking to media, FEGOCTA President Dr. Angom Pishak stated that state government had already released an order on July 11, 2018 to provide 7th Pay to the government employees. However, college and university teachers and judiciaries were excluded from the order. He asserted that the association has been urging the authorities concerned and the memorandum was also submitted to the government on December 2018. Dr. Pishak also maintained that the memorandum was submitted thrice and have urged the government to take a concrete decision to implement 7th Pay by September 23rd and even warned of carrying out protests in democratic way. He lamented over the failure of the government to fulfill their demands. Speaking further, Dr. Pishak asserted that mass casual leave has already started from September 24th, followed by mass sit-in protests. Stating that the government has invited for a meeting at 3 p.m., he asserted that FEGOCTA will convene a meeting thereafter and proceed with further necessary actions.
Pibiraiba intimation se mase koi tento bachacharagani aduda khanabatugi matungina wareb logjaragani karigumba manbu government amadura lorogiba istebaduna bajagi interesi ekona tanjariba demanding 7 page gi matang chida contradictory oiba confusing oiba adumba statement yaragadi ekoi mayam general body da muk refer tawjagani aduga karigumba government na masi written oiba concrete oiba statement am pidana masi soidana maki si torone do ai boina pibidra verbal de ko yazabanga marwai aduga moina written da pirabdo 1 week time Madugi Matungda, Makoina Karigumba, Koraktara Masi process solution with the Taragade, October Gate Tang Omdagi, Seaswag strike Amasulay, Aquena, Wazik Ninjerivity, Nasigi meeting Asida, Aquay, amicable solution ama, Purpa Asatoje.
Additional SP of Narcotics and Affairs of Border NAB Manipur, Thaunawjum Brenda was conferred upon the Best Performing Officer Award of the Anti-Counterfeiting and Anti-Smuggling Award 2018 as an acknowledgement towards her tremendous role in curbing drug management and drug trafficking in the state today. ASP Brenda was conferred upon the award during an event organized by Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry FICCI Cascade at Hyatt Regency Hotel in New Delhi. FICCI was established in 1927 under the guidance of Mahatma Gandhi by G.D. Birla and Purushottam Das. Brinda has busted several big drug cartels in the state and has arrested several powerful drug lords, including high-ranking police officers and politicians. It may be stated that the government of Manipur, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, Home Department and various civil societies of the state has bestowed many awards, including cash awards to Brinda for her enormous support in curbing drug menace from the state. A team of Moreh police arrested a man with 880 kgs of poppy seed yesterday. The miscreant is 21-year-old Moirangthem Biten, son of Ibomcha from Thaubal Khunau in Thaubal district. According to Impact News sources, 11 gunny bags containing the poppy seed was found from eco van bearing registration number AS01AN8821 driven by Bitten during a frisking operation. The detected items along with vehicle and individual were handed over to Custom Preventive Force More for further necessary action. A fire mishap occurred at the residence of 39-year-old Sagolsem Sanjoy, son of late Bijoy in Wangkai Konsam Laikai under Porompat Police Station in Imphal East District today. According to Impact News sources, the incident occurred around 10:10 a.m. The fire destroyed properties of one room of the house. Family members suspected electrical short circuit to have started the fire. Firefighters of Manipur Fire Service timely arrived and doused the fire and stopped it from spreading further. Properties worth around 20 lakh rupees were gutted in the fire. Porompat police has registered a case and investigations are underway. Two-day national seminar on good clinical practice, regulatory and ethical requirements for conducting clinical trials, research in India kicked off at Auditorium of Jenims Porompat today. Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Imphal along with Clinical Development Services Agency CDSA Faridabad jointly organized the workshop. Jenims Director Dr. T.H. Bhimo, Director Training CDSA Dr. Sujeta Banerjee Kurungdakhar and doctors of RIMS and Jenims attended the seminar. Speaking on the occasion, Jenims Director Dr. T.H. Bhimo stated that the seminar is held with an aim to enhance the academics activities of the medical students and to conduct clinical trial and research in the right way to improve patient care service and doctor-patient relationship. Director of CDSA Dr. Sujeta Banerjee stated that India is the second most populated country having the highest number of youths. Maintaining that there are youths who wish to conduct clinical research in the right way, Dr. Sujeta asserted that this seminar will greatly help the youth, especially doctors, in their clinical research and its benefits. Three days training program on agricultural marketing kicked off at the training hall of ICAR Lamphel today. Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium and Krishi Vigyan Kendra Imphal West jointly organized a program under the aegis of National Institute of Agricultural Marketing, Jaipur. Speaking on the occasion, Joint Secretary of ICAR Manipur Center, Dr. Narendra Prakash stated that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's announcement to double farmers' income by 2020 greatly depends on production rate and marketing of the produced goods. Maintaining that the Prime Minister's vision cannot be fulfilled without marketing, he urged farmers to sell their products properly. Dr. Narendra Prakash further stated that the authorities concerned need to construct required cold storage centers and enhance transportation facilities. Attending the event, Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, MS Khaidam, announced that Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium is all prepared to extend possible help to the economically backward farmers for agricultural purposes. He further urged the need for farmers to form various groups and cultivate the habit of working unitedly. Resource persons spoke on various topics to the farmers from various parts of the state during the training program.
Government of India, they have so many schemes. Now they have been developing marketing, storage facility, but these facility to come, government have to proactive. So this facility come in the field, so farmers can get the facility of that storage. State government, they can take these advantage to develop these facility in the farmers area, so farmers get benefit. If farmers get benefit, stakeholder also will get the benefit.
Marketing technique ama aikoina sendong len yoni haba matamda grading and processing asi yam very important way ba sat manaba por si aikoina alu bara amada ta leraga macha chu achouba chu akai bu chu pulap hapsal laga yumba budi achouba na achouba gi group ama di medium size group ama adi api pai group ama samaina grading tawro tawra yumba matamda punna bora ama pulap yumba phangmu paisa duga grading si yol phangmu paisa duga grading tawra yumba dun hen income la an sumba technology sindabu sinida
7 days classical Silai school training program held at Babupara in Jiribam district concluded today. People's Development Society, PDS, and Desu Bandhu Club Kasar jointly organized a program under Usha International Limited, Guwahati. Every trainee were provided with a sewing machine of Usha company at the valedictory event of the training.
Training program se koi Manipur ki mafam hana tari ta tawra sine nipan so badin da training program ne adu ngase koi na pir ba machine je ma koi na mayum da program matunda ma koi na masa gi silai school machama ai entrepreneur machama setup to ga khunu da le ba koi gi angang bi tammi ma mem tambi ba loina mo shi ka tan ba adu mai to ga ma koi gi livelihood se oirak na bi mo ngi setup to ko.
Graduation day for the 2 years training program provided to the poor families of 4 different constituencies which provide employment under World Vision India, Imphal West AP, was held at Lamyanba Shanglen today. More than 300 selected people from Sagolban, Uripok, Nauria Pakhanglakpa and Thangmaiban constituency were provided training on embroidery, tailoring, weaving and opening of grocery store for 2 years. World Vision India has been taking major roles in providing employment under the sponsorship of various financial institutes.
Family sina survive to tagri family sina ngasagi sustainable kanu sile da sustainable kanu livelihood tap lakpa targadi kari to de da moi da karma mong da sintha piraga moi gi kanu sento hengalan de game haibisi gi pandam sini thambi bisi hainaga do moi hana traditionally tawlaba karma sintha le karmano adu de da mating pangaga madu da hojiki matam gi haidi chawkhalaba matam gi moina tawriba thabak tu karamai tongna koi gi scientific way na modern way da yengalaga karamai tong moi lamjing biraga sento hengalan de ge haibisi ni khwai de important oribasi.
People carried out a rally against single-use plastic around Lamlong market areas today. Nandaibam Laikai Gram Panchayat organized a rally as a part of the countrywide Swachhata Hi Seva campaign. Various slogans were chanted during the rally. Speaking on the sidelines, Pradhan of Khurai Nandaibam Laikai Gram Panchayat, Yumnam Chitra, expressed unfortunate over the continuous use of plastics by the people despite various slogans to curb plastic manage in the state. She asserted that the rally was held to create awareness against single-use plastic and pollution to the public. The rallies also carried out a cleanliness drive around Lamlong market areas after the rally.
One day awareness program akoigi plastic use se si leminarasi haibane single plastic use dagi akhoi lapna leminarasi lu nan ba ba si aigi imung manung dagi aigi isa dagi haurakanda laikai amadi samaj asi chawkhattoini akoigi laingak dagi oiba makhoina tawrakpa khaktang du ngai ragadi akhoi je chawkhatpagi mami dagi samna leirani haiba wafam thamjabaga loinana lamong kaithen gi nageta phambiriba isina naw sing amadi akhoi Manipur pumbada single use plastic asidagi puna leminarasi ha wafam aigi site gi thamjari.
Hairok Part 2 Village Water and Sanitation Committee VWSC organized a rally against single-use plastic under its jurisdiction as a part of Swachhata Hi Seva campaign today. The rallies chanted various slogans as well as carried out a cleanliness drive. Representative of the committee, club members and the people of the area attended the event. Pangal Students Organization PSO of Manipur in a press release informed that the 3rd state-level science competition in 2019, earlier scheduled to be held on September 29, has been postponed on October 6. The competition, organized by PSO of Manipur and Integrated Students Welfare Organization, ISWO Powitech, will be held at Johnstone Higher Secondary, Imphal. In sports news, Player of Kanglei Bodybuilders Gym in Tera Sapam Leirak as Priyankar has bagged the most muscular man title, setting a new record in the history of the state. As Priyankar is the son of S. Tombi and Nandarani Devi from Khamnam Leirak in Patsoi constituency. He represented all Manipur Amateur Bodybuilders Association in the Bharat Sesta Championship organized by Chhattisgarh Amateur Bodybuilders Association under the aegis of Indian Fitness and Bodybuilders Federation at Sahid Samarak Auditorium in Raipur on September 21st and 22nd. Priyankar bagged a gold medal in the most muscular man medium group category and also secured third position in Mr. Physique in the championship. He was trained under S. Joychandra, who is the chief coach of the gym, formed since 2013, aiming to curb drug management in the state. He has bagged overall champion in various state-level championships and also achieved gold medals in many national championships. Bodybuilding enthusiast Priyankar is undergoing hard trainings under his coach to take part in Asia and world-level championship and bring laurels to the state.
I angang oringa hachang si yam kang nokjare chang yam pana anjogi khogi soil Manipur contest mayam yengba halsi matungina khara chachabadagi moina stage ta tawriba uriba goal loba ama hachang phom mayam du ubagi aisu sum hachang sananingba hachang phaning phawre dum contest yaw hore contest yaw bujirigi ai state level da roll loba hojare adi matungda national level da goal loba hore anjogi ai khradi ai ningjari sa do khradi thungang khanjare duga national level mamang sei chacharu da dum lore duga handak chahi Federation Cup salu the goal adum lobu ngamjare duga ai makhatana world level koi India represent tawga satpang namju adum najaki gani duga koi si sanaba je bodybuilding masana mayam dagi kraju hena wa maram oyna sarkari makai dagi mating kraju pangani.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. State government will take opinions from experts and public to legalize plantation of cannabis plants in the state. Irawat Celebration Committee observes 68th death anniversary of Jananeta Hijam Irawat as State Mourns Day at Irawat Bhavan, Imphal. Kundrakwam MLA T.S. Lokeshwar proposes that a library and a guest house in the memory of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat will be constructed at Kaibi Manache. Students of Takil Government Idle Blind School expresses disappointment over the Social Welfare Department for the lack of concern to the students of the school. And Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry honors additional SP of NAB Manipur Thalnautam Brinda with Best Performing Officer Award.